Hey, let's switch out the 2019 MT07 Tail light. For this example, I will be removing the MOTODYNAMIC and replacing it with the TST. If you want to know why I'm switching, well, you're going to have to tune in next week. So in the meantime, let's go. So to remove the light, you're going to need three things. Your key to remove the seat, the Yamaha toolkit, and a 12mm socket. I have already went ahead and removed the bolts from here and here just to show you how this loosens up already. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this bolt, this one, and this one. Now these Allen keys are the exact same size, and this is the 12mm socket that you'll need. That's on both sides of your fairings. Be sure not to lose the little sleeve that they provide. They're on both of these bolts here. Sometimes it might get stuck in there. Just be sure to remember that. Now that all those bolts are removed, then the light's going to come right out. Might have to just play with it a little bit to get it out. Now, of course, this was a MOTODYNAMIC light, so I've already taken it apart once. Now there is these little metal sleeves that hold the light in place. You got to remove those. I'm gonna have to grab a screwdriver for that, so sorry, you need 4 things. Now you need to remember to keep this piece because that's the little rubber seal and the clips that comes with it. Alright, so you're going to want to move out your toolbox there and just start pulling out all these wires that's under here, under the seat here. So it's all pretty loose to come out. So you might need to use a screwdriver to pop those clips up. And let's just pull it out. And there we go, that's the light. So there you go. Once you pull out the old light, you can go ahead and install your new light. It's just basically doing all of the previous steps in reverse. Now, if you're looking to remove the stock light, you can go ahead and check out an older video that I had done, which I will post right here. And in the meantime, if you are wondering why I switched to the TST from the MOTODYNAMIC, well, like I said, you're gonna have to hit that subscribe button and come back and check out my video next week. In the meantime, ride safe.